Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lily and I am back with another video. So today I am doing a crawfish and mussel boil. I like doing the crawfish and I like doing the crawfish and the mussel because they don't have a lot of fat or calories. And I'm telling y'all, I be eating. Well, I don't eat like I used to, but I be eating a lot. And this is like a low fat meal besides the butter sauce that I have. And trying to get into this crawfish. And I ain't got time to be fighting with nothing this young small just to get a tiny bite out of it. My gosh, y'all. That sauce is real hot. That sauce is delicious. The bomb. Thebomb.com. Now this is gonna be a quick video. I didn't know the sauce was hot. It's hot and it's spicy, y'all. But this has been gonna be a quick video. And I keep forgetting the sauce is hot. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and the old ones for supporting me. It really means a bunch. I know I haven't been doing my videos like I'm supposed to. Can you please tell him to hush? I'm doing a video. I know I need to put up more videos. But y'all, I have a lot on my plate right now. I have been extremely busy. And this plate is so high, I'm about to stand up and do this video. Can you please quiet down? Sheesh. Big mouth people. Zan. I got a big mouth in the background, y'all. Can you open the door and tell him to please hush? My microphone pick up everything. Sheesh, not over a game, over a goddamn game. I'm sorry behind chompers. I ain't gonna say no name. And y'all, woo, that's so good. And I'm about to eat these lobster claws. They came apart. And some big old claws. Oh my god. And y'all, Zan, I'm doing a backwards video, so I can't see myself. Okay. What thank you? I done did something Zan 3 don't like. She pointing her finger at me, y'all. Oh, y'all, I got me some blue Kool-Aid, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love Kool-Aid. Woo! I got that joker good and sweet. Look at that lobster. But yeah, y'all, if y'all haven't tried the crawfish, try it with the lemon or the lime. It really cuts that murky flavor. Because y'all know they taste just like the bottom of the sea. Y'all, I almost bit my tongue just now. I better quit eating so fast. I almost bit my tongue. I need that tongue to taste. Excuse me. And these little claws, they don't really have meat, but that juice flavor in there is good in them. I'm sweating, y'all, because it actually, I boiled mine in a little bit of lemon and lime. Look at there. And I get that lemony, limey, zesty flavor in there, and it really helps a lot. It's really good. Y'all, I could eat this whole pan. Y'all know these are like, excuse me, baby bites. The mussels aren't even really quarter size. Neither neither are the crawfish tails. So you can eat a lot of them and not even be full. I almost fell. Y'all know what I want to try? I want to try the green lip mussels. When I see people eating them, I know they're good. Hold on, don't go nowhere, baby. How many minutes I'm here? Oh, it's gonna be fast. Only a few more minutes. Bear with me. Y'all, I keep getting choked. The sauce is so good and spicy. Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Some went down the wrong pipe. Oh my Jesus. And I'm sweating because I had to turn off my ceiling fan. Oh, jeez. Makes your food cold really fast. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I don't know if we have green lip mussels here in Florida. I think we have to order ours. I'm not sure. At least I haven't seen any anywhere. Mm. I had said one time I was going to quit eating shellfish because they're so nasty. I don't mean the taste. I don't mean the way they live. But I ain't quit yet. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Y'all, let me tell you something. Y'all be careful eating these crawfish because they dangerous. They'll hurt you. Mm. All these little sharp claws. You know, stuck me in my mouth like 2 or 3 times. Woo! So good and spicy, got my nose running. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Look at the tail on that one. That's a big old tail right there. Hi, Malia. Want some crawfish and mussels? Mm. 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 Kinley, what is this? Mm. I forgot I put a little bit of Mrs. Dash in here, y'all. Mm. 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 You eat crawfish, Mama? Hmm? I just didn't know that. Mm-mm. Oh, jeez. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh, jeez. That's the only thing I don't like about these things. They're so complicated to get into for that little bite. For that one little bite. You actually got to fight for it. And I tell you, those of us who eat them fight for it. Mm. 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 Oh, drop down on the floor. Salt to the good. Mm. Woo! Mm. No. These little things can actually fill you up. Mm. I feel it. My blue Kool-Aid. That's what one of my kids called it when they were small. Kool-Aid. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I believe I am how far in, Zangria? 16 minutes. 16 minutes. And I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For the new people, thanks again. Thanks for all my supporters. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can know every time I post a video.